Hello judges, welcome to the 7th edition of Young Scientists Kenya. I am Shadia Athman
Mariam Dahir
from Matuga Girls High School.
The title of our project is Extraction of Calcium Supplements from Eggshells as Food Additives,
under the category of Biological and Ecological Sciences.
My partner will take you through the abstract.
About 90% of the aged people living in the coastal region today are victims of osteomalacia. This is due to low calcium in their body. This is mainly influenced by low food intake and overconsuming of coconut cooked food, which contains large quantities of carbohydrate and low quantities of calcium. For these people, cheap sources of calcium like eggshells may prove to be useful. My partner will now take you through the assessment of the problem.
Most of the aged people living in the coastal areas have inadequate calcium in their body. This is because of low food intake and shortage of food. The commercial calcium supplements found in the chemist have chemical preservatives which can affect our body, and they're very costly. For these people, cheap sources of calcium from the eggshells may prove to be useful.
The main purpose of our project is to turn eggshells into calcium powder, since eggshell powder is more effective at reducing the risk of osteomalacia than purified calcium carbonate. Furthermore, the improper disposing of eggshells may lead to environmental pollution, such as soil pollution when they accumulate in the landfills and air pollution when they produce odor. The recycling of eggshells may curb the environmental pollution.
In the methodology, the materials needed for our project is a mortar and pestle, a half kg of eggshells, a strainer, a sufuria, a tray, and an airtight container.
On to the procedure. Obtain your half kg of eggshells after cracking your eggs for normal use. Place the eggshells in a sufuria with enough water. Place the sufuria on a source of heat and boil for 10 minutes to kill any bacteria. This is very important to eliminate any bacteria that may lead to food poisoning. Strain your eggshell using a strainer to remove the water. Spread your wet eggshells on a tray and place the tray on the sun to dry completely for 1 hour. Place the dried eggshells in a mortar and use a pestle to grind into powder. Place the powder in an airtight container to keep away from moisture. And this is our final product.
The observation remained is that the powder was pale brown in color with the brown color of the eggshells, and when the powder was added to water, it dissolved.
On to the data analysis. The dependent variable is the percentage composition of the nutrient. The independent variable is the type of the nutrient, and the control variable is the amount of calcium that we used. On to the graphic analysis. The results showed that eggshells can be a cheap source of calcium, since calcium is abundant in the eggshell than other minerals such as magnesium, fluoride, and strontium.
On to the conclusion, we concluded that since eggshell is one of the cheapest sources of calcium, it can help to prevent calcium diseases such as osteomalacia, affecting many people in the coast. For these people, cheap sources of calcium from eggshells may prove to be useful.
We recommend that to obtain fine powder, the eggshells should be blended, since swallowing large fragments of eggshells may injure your throat. Boiling is compulsory to kill any bacteria that may lead to food poisoning.
We would like to acknowledge our patron, Mr. Rajab, for helping us with the research, our project advisor, Madam Hadija, for working hand in hand with the patron, our chief principal, Madam Zawadi, for funding our project, and above all, our Almighty God for the fire has brought us. Thank you.